Good morning, everyone. It is early on Sunday. Everyone else in my house is still asleep. So I came outside. This is actually my second time out. I was out earlier to feed, and now I'm out checking out how much snow we're getting in this snowstorm. He's so cute. Titan James. He's like, just love me. Just love me. Oh, here comes Max. Oh no. No, I don't want kisses. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now I fell in the snow. I have my robe on under my coat. It actually keeps me way warmer than pants. But now it's soaking. It's covered in snow. It's going to be soaking wet. I do have pants on. Well, they're like crazy green leggings, guys. I'm wild over here. But we're supposed to get a lot of snow today. I guess up to 11 inches. Hi, Titan James. So, yeah, I just decided to come and show you guys how much snow we've got. Because everyone else in the house is asleep. I can hear the chickens. You hear the chickens too? And I am wide awake. I'm a morning person, even if I go to bed late. So, I will show you guys how much snow we have right now. And then if we get as much as we're supposed to, like I said, supposedly up to 11 inches. If we get that much, maybe I'll show you guys after the snowstorm is done, because that would be a lot of snow to get at once, and it would be kind of cool. But Titan, look at how cute. Oh, this is my old man. This is my old man. Okay, let's see what I can show you guys. So that's all the fresh snow, basically. So we got a few inches. This is out in our backyard, which I haven't really taken you guys around yet. I'll walk back here quick and show you the woods. Just I'll pause it so you don't have to walk. So here are our backwoods. We haven't really done anything back here yet. There's a few walking trails, but we need to do a lot of work back here. My husband would actually really like to have a logger come out and clear it. A lot of these trees are diseased, so he thinks maybe have a logger clear it, which would save us time, and then we can replant it with things that will do better with the type of soil that we have here. But we'll see. The puppies followed me down. What are you doing, Max? Oh, my hair's in the way. Hi, son. Oh, Titan James, you're so cute. Should we go see the horsies? Want to go see the horsies? So, I fed the horses in the barn today. Of course, they're going to come out and see if I have any treats. I don't have anything right now, Katie. Hi, sweetie. But just because it's going to snow so much today, they'll be fed inside, because I don't want all of their hay to just get covered with the snow. And it'll keep them a little drier. Not that it matters. See, they're just making a mess with all their hay. Guess we'll go check on the chickens quick and see if they have laid any eggs for me yet this morning. Oh, I don't know what I was going to say, but we're going to go check on the chickens. So yeah, it's really cold out. My fingers are frozen. I probably should have brought gloves, but I know that it's kind of hard to hold my phone and wear gloves at the same time. So here are the bears. Hi! Nobody came out yet? I'll make your path again. I make a little path for them to get to their water when there's lots of snow. They don't necessarily like it. Good morning, girls. No eggies yet this morning? Oh, you What a good girl. Look at how cute it is. Yay. One eggie. And the big girls are all just, they don't want to get up yet. The babies are on it. And the big girls are slacking. What a world we live in. Oh, look at the the netting of my coop is catching a lot of snow. So you hear the dogs? The fun of having Great Pyrenees livestock guardians is they think they need to bark at everything. So snow plows, birds, squirrel farts, they will bark at all of it. So, you know, your neighbors might not like that, but they just kind of have to get over it. I think they hear snowplow right now. So I think I hear it now. But, yeah, so Sunday morning, snowstorm. Got a cute little egg. Everybody in my house is still asleep. It's cold, but it's pretty. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and if we do get the fun amount of snow that we're supposed to, I will update you guys on that. Otherwise, this will be it because, you know, a few inches of snow here and there, whatever. But talk to you later, guys. Bye.